Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Tesles Rutami, NPM 2441201 from Accounting Class 24A. On this occasion, I would like to present about raw material cost in the cost accounting course. Alright, let's get into the discussion. First, definition of raw material cost. Raw material cost is the cost incurred by a company to purchase material that are used directly in the production process and become part of the finished product. Raw material are the main components used to produce goods in manufacturing companies. These materials are processed through production activities until they become finished product ready to be sold. In simple terms, raw material cost refers to the cost of material that are directly used in making a product. Example, wood used to make table, flour used to make bread, fabric used to make clothes. Raw material cost is part of manufacturing cost, together with direct labor cost, manufacturing overhead costs. Second characteristic of raw material cost. 1. Directly traceable to the product. Raw material can be easily traced to the product paying products. 2. Become part of the finished product. Raw material basically become part of the final product after the production process. 3. Usually has a large cost value. In manufacturing companies, raw material cost is the largest component of production costs. And 4. Requires strict control, because the cost in significant companies must be carefully managed raw material to avoid waste, loss, damage, and theft. Types of material in production. First, direct materials. Direct materials are materials that are directly used in the production process and can be clearly identified in the finished product. Example, wood in furniture production, fabric in clothing production, flour in bread production, and steel in automobile manufacturing. And second, indirect material. Indirect material are material used in the production process but cannot be easily traced to a specific product, or their value is relatively small. Example, glue, nails, lubricants for machine cleaning material. Next, raw material management process. 1. Processing raw material. The processing department ordered raw material from supplier according to production needs. Documents used include purchase requisitions, purchase order, supplier invoice. And 2. Receiving raw material. The receiving department checks the material delivered by supplier. The inspection includes quantity, quality, and conformity with the purchase order. If everything is correct, the material are accepted and sent to the warehouse. And 3. Storing raw material. Raw material are stored in the warehouse and recorded in inventory records. The purpose of storage is to maintain material quality, prevent loss, facilitate inventory control. And 4. Issuing raw material for production. When the production department needs material, it sends a material requisition form to the warehouse The warehouse then requests the required material and record the transaction. Inventory valuation methods for raw material. FIFO. First in, first out. The FIFO method assumes that the first material purchased are the first material used in production. Characteristic order inventory is used first, and the inventory reflects more recent price. And 2. LIFO. Last in, first out. The LIFO method assumes that the most recently purchased material are used first. Characteristic: never inventory is used first. Production cost reflects a recent price. And 3. Average cost method. This method calculates the average cost of all available material. Formula: average cost is total cost of material and total units of material. This method is commonly used because it is simple and practical. Accounting for raw material transaction. Purchase of raw material. Journal entry. Raw material inventory blank blank blank. At cash or account payable blank blank blank. Use of direct material. Journal entry. Work in process blank blank blank. At raw material inventory blank blank blank. And last, use of indirect material. Journal entry. Manufacturing overhead blank blank blank. At raw material inventory blank blank blank. That's all my presentation about raw material cost. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.